You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this type of sandwich, this food name, dish name from Nice, France, the south of France? Alright, so let's break it down how it's said in France in French. Pain. Pain is French for bread. Bagnat, the T is definitely silent here, so it's not bagnat. Bagnat, bagnat, pain-bagnat, pain-bagnat. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.